This is Ammarita, second year CSC B section in Adi Shankara Institution of Technology. Register number is 570. Java TechTalk Swing Component Swing API is a set of extensible guide components to ease the developer life to create Java-based front-end guide applications. It is built on top of AWT API and acts as a replacement of AWT API since it has almost every control corresponding to AWT control swing components follows a model view controller architecture to fulfill the following cities. A single API is to be sufficient to support multiple looks and feel. API is to be model defined so that the highest level API is not required to have data. API is to use the Java Bean model so that builder tools and IDE can provide better service to the developer for user swing features. Lightweight swing components are independent of negative operations system. API as swings API controls are rendered mostly use pure Java code instead of underlying operation system calls. Rich control swing provides a rich set of advanced control like tree, trample, play, slider, color pinker, and table controller. Highly customizable. Swing controllers can be customized in a very easy way as visual appearance is independent of internal representation. Publiable look and feel. Swing based guide applications look and feel can be changed at runtime based on available values. The MCA pattern architectures consists of three layers. Model. It represents the business layer of application. It is an object to carry the data that can also contain the logical to update controller if data is changed. View. It represents the presence layer of application. It is used to visualize the data that the model contains. Controller. It works on both the model and views. It is used to manage the flow of application data flow in the model objects and update the view whenever data is changed. In Java programming, the model contains the simple Java cases. The view used to display the data on the controller contains the servlets. Due to use these separations, the user requires or provides as follows. Every swing controls inherits properties from the following components classes. It's a class and description components. First point, a component is the object-based class for the non-menu user interface controls of Swing. Components represents an object with graphical represents. Second point, controller. A controller is a component that can contain other Swing components. Third point, J components. A J component is a base class for all Swing UI components. In order to use a Swing component that inherits from J component, the components must be in controlments. Inheritance who routes is a top level Swing controller. Swing UI elements. Following is the list of commonly used controller while describing user using Swing. Class and descriptions. JLab. A JLab object is a component for placing test in a controller. J button. This class creates a labeled button. J color coders. A J color closures provides a pane of controller designed to allow a user to manipulate and select a color. J checkbox. A J checkbox is a graphical component that can be in either an or true or false statement. J radio button. The J radio button class is a graphical component that can be in either an or true or false statements in a group. JList. A JList components present the user with the scholar list of test items. J combo box. A J combo component present the user with a to show up menu of choices. J test box. A J test box object is a test components that allows for the editing of a single line of text. J password file. A J password file object is a set test component specified for password entry. J test area. J test area object is a test component that allows editing of a multiple lines of text. Imaging icon. A imaging icon control is an emblematic of the icon interface. The painting loose from the imaging. A J scalar bar. A scalar bar controls represent a scalar bar components in a set of car order or to enable the user to select from range of values. J option pane. A J option pane provides a set of standard dialog box that provide user for a value to inform them of something. J file closer. If J file closer control represent a dialog window from which the user can select a file. Can a file a J program bar as the task processing towards complete the process bar displays the task present percentage of completions. J shielder. A J shielder lets the user graphical select a value by shielding a combo with a boulder interval. JSPillar. A JSPillar is a single line into field that lets the user select a number or an object value from a order sequence. Thank you.